At the edge of existence, we harvest the foundation of life, the Antarctic krill. With a biomass greater than all humans combined, this is the largest resource on Earth.
But there's a catch. They must be processed alive, or the treasure is lost within minutes.
Precision tracking. AI algorithms analyze the swarm density to deploy the eco-harvesting system.
The vacuum link. Unlike traditional nets, our continuous suction system keeps the krill in water at all times.
Eco-harvesting. This patented method prevents the krill from being crushed, maintaining 100% enzyme stability.
Immediate arrival. From the ocean to the factory floor in less than 5 minutes.
Manual verification. Even with full automation, we check for species purity in every batch.
A critical step. We apply a brief, precise heat pulse to stop the powerful enzymes from breaking down the krill.
Centrifugal force. We separate the krill into 3 streams: protein, water, and the precious oil.
Red gold. This oil is 50 times more potent than standard fish oil due to its phospholipid structure.
Nutritional density. Krill meal is the world's most effective feed for high-end aquaculture. The whole frozen line, where premium krill are prepared for the aquarium and bait markets. Scientific rigor. We analyze the astaxanthin levels in real time to ensure maximum antioxidant power.
Sustainable power. Reducing our carbon footprint while operating in the world's most sensitive ecosystem.
Helm, right 15 degrees rudder. Steady as she goes.
The cargo hold, where 5,000 tons of krill products are stored at a constant minus 30 degrees Celsius.
Mid-ocean transshipment. The factory never stops. We transfer the products and continue the harvest.
The Human grit. Machines do the heavy lifting, but human bravery keeps the operation safe. Circularity. We return the water as clean as we found it, preserving the Antarctic balance.
Certified sustainable. Every ton is tracked to ensure we harvest less than 1% of the total biomass.
Easy on the left, bring it back a foot and set her down.
The final transformation. From the abyss to a high-purity health supplement.
The yield is stabilizing right on target.
Good. Let's start the extraction sequence.
I'm telling you, the starboard winch is acting up again.
We checked the hydraulics yesterday.
Let's discuss that after dinner, gentlemen. Enjoy the roast.
Expedite this pallet. We have a slot time to meet.
Copy that. Secure the locks now.
all Actil harvest vessels. Confirm trajectory. Grid 7. Prepare for immediate docking clearance.
Mission complete. 10,000 tons processed. Precise, the engine of the ocean. This is harvest motion.